So in exercise 2C from chapter 2, the topic is division involving negative numbers. It means that how can we divide negative numbers or a positive number with a negative number. We have some rules. For example, the first rule we have that if we divide positive number divide by negative number, the answer will be a negative number. How we can see that? If we take, for example, a positive 8 which is being divided by minus 2. So the first number is positive and the second one is negative. So if we divide these two, first of all 8 divided by 2 will be 4, and we can see that when a positive number is being divided by a negative number, the answer will be a negative number. So here positive divided by negative will be negative. So the answer will be negative 4. And the second rule is if we divide a negative number divided by positive number, the answer again will be a negative number. How? We can see that if we divide minus 8 divided by plus 2. Here the first number is a negative number, the second one is a positive number, and if we divide a negative with a positive, the answer will be a negative number. So minus divided by plus will be minus, and 8 divided by 2 will be 4. So the answer will be minus 4. And the third one is if we divide a negative number divided by negative number, the answer will be a positive number. So this is the third rule. For example, if we take minus 8 and divide it by minus 2, here we can see that both of the values are in negative. So if we divide a negative number with a negative number, so negative divided by negative will be positive. So the answer will be positive, and 8 divided by 2 will be 4. So the answer will be plus 4. And the fourth one is very easy, because if we divide a positive number divided by positive number, the answer again will be a positive number. So an example is if we divide plus 8 divided by plus 2. So positive divided by positive will be positive, and 8 divided by 2 will be 4. So this is how we are going to divide negative numbers with positive numbers, or negative number with a negative number. You just have to memorize these 4 rules or 4 laws so that you can solve the exercise 2C. And if you don't know how to multiply negative numbers or a positive number with a negative number, you can watch from exercise 2B question number 1, in which I have explained that topic. So now we are going to move on exercise 2C. Exercise 2C question number 1. Find the value of each of the following. And here we have multiplication involving negative numbers. So in part 1 we have a positive 3 multiplied by minus 9. So positive multiplied by negative will be a negative, and 3 times 9 is 27, which is our answer. And then in part B we have a negative 8 times positive 4. So negative times positive will be negative 32. And then in part C we have negative 7 times negative 5. So negative times negative will be positive, and 7 times 5 will be 35. And in part D we have a negative 1 times negative 6. So negative times negative will be positive, and 1 times 6 will be 6, which is our answer. And then in part E we have a negative 2 times negative 7. So here again negative times negative will be positive, and 2 times 7 will be 14. And then in part F we have a negative 6 times 0. So anything times 0 will be 0, and 0 has no sign, so we are just going to write a 0, which is our answer. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe the channel, like the video and share the video.